What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard, and in today's video we're going to talk about what to expect when you take delivery of your brand new Tesla, whether it be a Model Y, Model 3, X, S, or like me, the Cybertruck. Alright, so before we start, I don't want this to be like a negative video, but even though it is negative, I'm still happy with my Cybertruck. So what to expect, right? Number one, bad customer service. Number two, a dirty truck. And number three, rust spots everywhere. Only if you're taking delivery of a Cybertruck. That's what I saw and experienced. Let me tell you, bad customer service. Show up, my appointment's at 5 p.m. Nobody acknowledges me as I enter the dealership or service center, or whatever they call them. I made sure that I made contact with somebody and be like, hi, my name is whatever, I'm here to check in for a delivery. All right, check me in. And they just told me, all right, wait around, we'll come and get you when your vehicle's ready. I waited about an hour, and even with waiting about an hour, somebody just saw that I was like waiting and I had my family there, and you know, we were checking out the Model X, the Model S, whatever they had on the showroom display there. And he just like happened to see that I was just still waiting around and moping around the dealership and asked me what was I there for. I said, I'm here to take delivery of a brand new Cybertruck. He goes, oh, let me get you out of here real quick. Took my information, said, all right, give me a minute. I'm gonna go locate the vehicle, make sure it's ready, and then I'll come in and get you. Took him like 5 minutes, came, got me. We went outside, did the handoff. If you're a previous owner of a Tesla, the handoff's pretty relatively simple. It's just hands off, all your information's already there. Your new information syncs to your new vehicle and you're good to go. If you're new to Tesla, make sure you ask a lot of questions. Make sure you're familiar on how to work your app, how to work your key fobs, and all the infotainment center and everything, because you don't want to drive out there and not be familiar with any of that. So typically you want to inspect the truck or the vehicle right then and then, but because it was dark already, my kids were hungry, I was a little irritated, I wanted to get out of there. So the outside of the truck was dirty. I'm like, all right, whatever. Go inside, get in to leave. The inside of the truck was dirty. You can tell that they try to wipe it down real quick, but that's what it was like. Oh shit, this one's going out for delivery. It's not ready. Wipe it down real quick, and still it's dirty and it looks very sloppy. I didn't care. I was tired. I wanted to get out of there, like I said. Following morning, when I woke up, I wanted to do the inspection, because typically while you're there, you want to do the inspection. So if you're taking delivery, make sure you take delivery during daylight, because you want to inspect that vehicle very thoroughly and do the submit the claims right then and then. Sometimes they take care of you right then and then. You don't even have to file a claim, but sometimes they make you file a claim and then reschedule you for a later date. So that's when I saw the rust all over the truck in the morning when I woke up. I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck did I just buy? I just bought a rust bucket. I'm like, what is all these rust specks? There are little specks throughout the whole vehicle. I was like, oh crap, I'm gonna drive immediately to the dealership and I'll be like, I don't want this shit, right? So let me further inspect the vehicle and see what other issues I found. So I found that. I found a misaligned panel gap on the back end by the tonneau cover. The driver's side panel going up towards the tonneau cover is dented, or it has like a dip, or kind of bulges out, whereas the one on the passenger side is nice and straight. I found a mud flap that was either broken or not properly installed, and I did also find that the buttons on the steering wheel, they're all mushy and don't really work like buttons. So I found all those issues, drove to the dealership, right, or a service center down the street from my house. There's one that's like 10 minutes away. First thing I said, I'm like, dude, this thing got rust spots everywhere. He came out there, he goes, believe it or not, it's very common. It's not rust, it's not what you expect. There's this spray you can buy. Gave me the name of the spray. He goes, spray it on there, should come out relatively simple. I did. I haven't done it. I'll be the judge of that, right? So he wouldn't file a claim for that, which I was pretty pissed. I don't want a truck full of rust spots everywhere. But everything else, we filed a claim. One thing to notice that if you buy a Tesla, you have about 48 hours to file a claim. You can file a claim whenever, but within the first 48 hours, anything that you feel that's wrong with the vehicle, you can file a claim and you won't get any like pushback. So anyways, file a claim for all those items. I do got a date to come back, December 26th. So depending on when you're seeing this, either it already happened or it's gonna happen. Besides that, all that negative information and all that negative experience that I had, I am happy with the Cybertruck. I'm super excited. I do come from a truck background where we customize trucks and all that. I'm excited to kind of blend that world into this kind of electric truck world to see what I can do with it. Let me know down in the comment sections if you guys want to see anything with that, or what do you want me to see me do with my Cybertruck. I'm not going to shoot it, I'm not going to destroy it. I mean, like, customization wise. If you guys want to see this on this channel, Gadget Beard, or you want to see it on a new channel, I want to know down in the comment sections below. I just want to do this little video because it's not what you expect. A lot of people think, oh, I bought a Tesla, I bought a Cybertruck, it's delivery day, oh my god, I'm gonna walk in, they're gonna bring me champagne, they're gonna feed me, they're gonna hand feed me grapes. No, they're not. So let me know if you've had a better experience than I did, because I've bought 2 of them and so far this latest purchase, the experience has been worse than the first one. And if this is like the norm, then Elon Musk needs to do something and at least let their customers feel appreciated for purchasing a vehicle of theirs. Whether you're buying a Model 3, a Model Y, Cybertruck X or S, plaid or not plaid, you know, it might not be a lot of money to you, but to that person who's buying that vehicle, it might be a lot of money for them, and there's something that they've wanted to do in a long time. It might be their dream car, like this is my dream car, and you know, you don't want to burst their bubble and spoil their day with bad customer service. Defects and stuff like that is going to happen, but it's expected. But when you provide good customer service, that doesn't take away from your day. But when you start the day and the delivery process with bad customer service, a bad experience, dirty truck, dirty vehicle, or anything, you know, it doesn't help out. This is just me putting that out there. Anyways, I've gone on too long. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.